Ever since Virtual Railfan began streaming live videos from Elkhart, Indiana, I've always wanted to visit the location. Recently, my dad, brother, and I finally decided to make the trip. Of particular interest to me was the large signal bridge just west of the Amtrak station. Spanning all the way across 5 tracks, this is one of the larger signal bridges I've seen recently, so I decided to use my drone to get a closer look. From up in the air, it's easy to spot where the main line used to be prior to the track realignment a few years ago. A little later, we caught NS 1068, the Erie Heritage Unit, riding in the 3rd position on a westbound mixed freight. During our time in Elkhart, we decided to stop by the New York Central Railroad Museum, right across the tracks from the Amtrak station. It was definitely well worth our time. If you ever get a chance to visit Elkhart, I definitely recommend spending some time at the museum.